Hey guys, welcome back. Ray Project Dirty. This week we're gonna be changing it up a little bit and changing the grill on the Tahoe. So we'll get started on it. Alright, so a while back I hit a bird and it cracked the grill, and you know, this GM chrome, it just kind of deteriorates and it's seen better days. So what I did is I ordered this off of Amazon. Back here. This is a 3-piece grill for the 2000 to 06 Tahoes. Also works on like the 99 to 02 Silverados, Suburbans, you know, anything with that round eye front end on it. But it's got the open mesh front like opening, and then it has the solid pieces that go, has one of these for each side that go onto each side of the center, that go in between like the tail, the headlights and the blinkers. So I'm gonna get this going and we will get it out and open and set up and we'll see what we got. All right, so this is the grill. Like I said, it's a 3-piece. These end caps are come off, and then before you put it on, you have to screw them to the center section. And then I'm going to be putting a 22-inch light bar behind the grill. What I am going to do though is I am going to color match these end caps before I put it together. So I'm going to get on these. I got some color match paint out of a rattle can. I'm going to do those. So I'm going to scuff these up real quick, get them painted, and we'll get it thrown on, and we'll get back after I'm done with that. All right guys, so I got the first coat on those end caps. While that's flashing, I'm going to pull this off, the radiator shroud off the cover here on top. And to do that, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. All right, this is where you should be at now. So to get the grill off, or to get that radiator shroud off, excuse me, it's just 7 of these push lock pins, real simple. And that should leave you here. These are Phillips, but a small flat will work on them also. Get them to turn. And then you have a bolt there, and then there's some push lock pins. So we're gonna get the grill pulled off and see what we can do. All right guys, as you can see, grill is off. That's where the light bar is gonna be mounted. I gotta get it actually mounted though. Just waiting for the paint to set up a little bit before I put the grill together. We'll get that going on. You do have to take these little, on the factory grill, it's the twist locks. You gotta take these guys out because this replacement shell snaps into place of those. So I'm not gonna wire the light bar in right now. I'm just gonna get it routed through the radiator support. I said, wait for that paint to dry. We'll put the new grill on and we'll do kind of a fitment review and whatnot, and yeah. All right guys, so this is the grill all assembled, ready to go in. I do like the look of the painted end caps. Otherwise, I think unless you have a black truck or Tahoe or Suburban or whatever, I think it would just look off. I don't like that all blacked out grill, unless that's the look you're going for. But I think with this color combo, the painted end caps was a good call. So we're gonna get this, I'll get the camera moved, set up, we're gonna get this thrown in, and it should be a pretty simple install. Hopefully fitment's good. Like I said, this is like a I want to say it was like $50 or $60 off of eBay. So it is a cheap grill and a cheap way to give your truck a facelift. So we're gonna get ready, throw it on real quick. All right, guys, and that is the finished product. It looks way better than the broken one, and it does give it a little more aggressive look, I think, in my opinion. That is it. Fitment's not bad. The only thing, these tabs aren't quite strong enough to hold it in place. So what I did is I just pushed them through and then I bent them up, kind of as like a push lock kind of deal. So other than that, you know, other than nothing really. This kind of bothers me. It doesn't come out as far on the bottom. So you can see like these tabs and stuff, but eventually I'll do an SS style bumper on it and that'll get rid of that. But I do like the look, and for $50 you can't complain.